Alright, so we're arriving in Atlantic City, kind of. There's some pretty sick, well, you can't see it in the video, but there's some windmills over there.
Wow.
Blending in with the clouds that we're inside
I'm a big fan of wind energy.
There's, I don't know, some big puddles over there.
Oh my god,
this is going to be a really boring video. Lobster buffet. There you go.
Can you just see all the billboards? It's fucking amazing.
Okay, yeah. Have you never seen a fucking billboard before?
No. Not like this. Whoa, wind energy.
Yeah, the fucking windmills. I just said
What is with this fucking fog?
I don't know. I'm really bad at holding this
still. Can Tim fucking give directions or something? Can this fucking guy
Tim,
like go faster?
We're turning in 0.9 miles. What are you doing?
This fucking idiot. Look at this. Look at him. Oh.
Stop it. And there's, you know, a city under a cloud of... What is this? It's like Armageddon today.
It's the Twilight Zone. Can these people drive faster?
Oh, that's
what the fuck?
There's like little... Is this a lake or is it just a big puddle? Oh, there's a boat on it, so I guess it's not a puddle. Oh, the Borgata. Over there. That's famous casino.
Oh, the Borgata. I've heard of that shit.
Kentucky Derby. That's like 2 hours from my house.
Isn't that in Kentucky?
Go straight on, then take the second
But people like gambling here.
Okay. Ooh,
Ah, Nickelback! Ah! Woo! Ah!
That's tonight.
That's where we're going to.
That's tonight?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Okay, let's not crash. I'm gonna stop the video.